Like, it needs to get out.
We don't like
We need
it.
to evict them.
This is the eviction process.
This is the eviction, yes.
Yeah. So I can feel as soon as I get like right in here, it doesn't.
My gosh. Woo! I think that's been there for 9 years.
I think so. That was huge.
It was starting to like just like take space and like unpack, and it's moved in, and oh man, that was. I think we knocked him out.
I think you're right. There was something there.
There was
Just a little bit.
Y'all not paying anything. Like, you need to get out of there. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. If y'all need anybody evicted in your body, I'm just saying, Dr. Tubio is the man.